girly babes, thank you so much for coming back and checking out my channel. So I'm going to be doing another Modelones gel polish collection for you today. It is the Blue Blood set. I know this is one of their older sets, but it really has some stunning colours in there. So I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek of them. So I'm sure that, you know, majority of you probably already got this set, like I said, because it's one of their older ones, but I had to get it and had to swatch it. It's just got some absolutely stunning colours in it, which you can wear all year round. It's got obviously my purple. It's got these nudie colours in, but it's also got some really, like, you know, gorgeous colours in it, like this one where it's a bit of a shimmer to it. But like I say, this is like a, you know, almost like a staple gel polish colour collection kind of thing. You're going to be able to wear these any time of the year, really. It's not season dependent. I don't agree with that anyway. I just think, right, if I want to wear this colour, I'll wear this colour. And if that means bright neons in the winter, then it's bright neons in the winter. And I'll also be showing you how you can create this sort of like block look using gel polishes as well. So I really hope that you like this review, and let's get into it. So the first one that I'm going to be showing you is this gorgeous bronze colour. It has like a metallic feel to it. So I know normally I would apply these on my little fake nails and show it on my own nails, but I've just been so under the weather recently. I just you know, just wasn't up for it, so I just thought I would show you here. I mean, it's nice on these long stiletto nails. It still looks gorgeous. It still shows off the gorgeous colours, and you'll still get to see how they all look as well. It's just, being completely honest, it just takes me less time to do it. Like, you would not believe, it takes like almost like a day of recording to do it on the fake nails where I show it all. So yeah, so I'm just you know, feel a little bit lazy with this one, but you know, you still get to see the colours, which is the main thing. So hopefully you don't mind my laziness so much in this video. Yeah, so with this one, I think because it's metallic, it's that polish. I should have probably, I don't know, applied it a bit better, because you can see the brush strokes more with that one. But I mean, it's still gorgeous. And this purple, when I actually swatched it, I actually gasped. I was like, this is my purple. It's so gorgeous, and it was so difficult trying to picture it in my lights. Like here you can kind of see the colour, but then in other lights after I finished it, it sort of changed, and I couldn't get it to show you how it actually looks like in real life. It is a darker shade, but it's not really dark. I know that probably doesn't help, but that's the best way I can describe it. So moving on now, this is such a gorgeous nude shade. I absolutely love it. And it will look gorgeous against any skin colour, I'm sure. So as you can see, and I'm sure if you have, you know, purchased any of these polishes, you will know that they are such a quality polish. And they're like really pigmented as well. So, you know, you don't need lots of coats for it to be fully opaque. So this one here is, I mean, it calls it rose gold. To me, I don't know, it's not rose gold as I think rose gold. I think rose gold normally is more sort of pinky. This is a bit of like a bronzy colour, but that's just my personal opinion. I mean, it's still gorgeous, but I wouldn't particularly define it as rose gold, I don't think. Let me know what you think. Am I wrong? I normally am. So this one is such a gorgeous colour, and it's quite unusual. This is one that's called Black Gold. And it's really good description of it, because obviously it's not jet black, but it is quite dark. But it's actually got like greeny shimmer going through it. I don't know how well it's coming up on camera. You can see it in the flesh in certain lights. You can just see little twinklings of green that goes through, and obviously like a goldy shimmer going through it also. I don't know whether this would be better actually putting it over a black, and maybe it would bring out stuff more. I don't know, but this was it over like obviously a natural pop stick. But it was a really, you know, it's gorgeous, unusual colour. So this is just like a obviously a silver polish, but it's not a flat polish. And what I mean by that is it's got a textured look to it, which I actually really like. So hopefully you can see that. And again, amazingly pigmented, and I think opaque in 2 coats. I think most of these are opaque in 2 coats. I think there's just like the odd couple that you might need, you know, 1 more coat. But again, it depends what you're doing. Like if you're applying glitter over it, or if you're applying stamping over it, you know, you might not need that 3rd coat to be fully opaque, because you're not going to massively see it anyway. You know, when I say to be fully opaque, I am being quite picky with that as well. So this one, it's such a gorgeous red. It's not like your, you know, real bright red, like, you know, your fire engine red. But it is gorgeous. It's got warm tones to it. Like the red I have actually got a red on right now, so you can see it's much lighter than the red that I've got, but it's gorgeous. And I thought I would show you with a matte top coat as well. So it's such a gorgeous look. So this is Vivid Purple. It's coming across a lot darker on screen than it is in real life. But I really love this purple. This looks gorgeous. They all look gorgeous whether it's glossy or matte. I know people have certain preferences where they don't like matte at all, or you just use matte. But I like to show it where I can, just in case this was something that you would want to know. So this is that black gold, or fool's gold. No, is it black gold? Gold black, something or other. Very nice indeed. I'll try and zoom in now just so you can see that green. But it just, my camera, it was so frustrating. It just wouldn't pick it up. I could see it, but it just wasn't showing it up on camera. So you just have to take my word for it. I know you value it so much, so there you go. And this is the last one in red. Looks stunning. So here they are all together. Hopefully you can see in a bit better light here. But I absolutely love this collection, and I hope you like it too, Jelly Babes. Just come in a little bit closer. So obviously this is with the matte finish. But yeah, so happy to have this in my collection. So with this, I've obviously put on the silver base, and then I've come in with the vivid purple. And I know it doesn't look like dead sharp, but you don't have to worry about that. You just basically need like a good cleanup brush with this to get it sharp. So I've just got some isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just swiping down, obviously removing the excess. And then you do get that crisp, sharp line. So it's going to make it look like you're really, really good at, you know, using brushes, but actually it's just the art of cleanup. And then I'm going to go in with the same silver. So again, so that purple has been cured, by the way, and now I'm going in with the silver. And again, I just clean it up with the brush like I've shown you before. And then I just come in one last time with the purple. But this is a great way to get that, you know, that block colour look. And it's quite simple as well. Like I say, if you're using it with the, you know, a decent cleanup brush, you can get that sharp line. But people are going to just think, you know, you're a dab hand with a brush. So I'm actually going to go ahead and finish this off with a matte top coat. I just really liked how it looked with a matte finish. And I used obviously the rose gold and the red on the other nails as well. So let me know your thoughts. Is this a design that you would want on your own nails? Were you quite surprised at how easily I created it? Have you got this Blue Blood collection, or if you haven't, would you consider purchasing it? Just be nice to get some feedback. And obviously if you haven't got it and you do decide to have a look at their you know, gel polish collections, I do have a discount code as well. So if you click the link in my description box, it'll take you to their website, and if you use Gelulicious 10, you'll get a 10% discount off as well. So thank you so much for watching, Jelly Babes. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.